Hi guys, in front of me is REALME GT NEO free theme, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first you have to open Messages, go to a new one, and here you've got the keyboard. To change it, you have to click on Settings, then pick Languages, and select Add Keyboard, sorry. Then pick the one that you wish to apply. As you can see, the list is super long. You can also use the search icon to pick the language that you want to apply. And let me pick, for example, Hebrew. Tap on Done. And now you can remove unnecessary language. Let's go back. And as you can see, it has been already changed. So this is it. This will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.